Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this Volkswagen Bus. They call it a Microbus. Sealing wax red over ivory. Beautiful, fully restored condition. Hop on in, do a cold start. We'll tell you all about it. Volkswagen Microbus. Beautiful restored condition throughout. We're going to do a little cold start here. Make sure it's in neutral. It's a 4-speed. Turn the key on, give it a pump. Fires right up. It's a 12-volt car. 21 windows. We have Safari windows. We have a big, beautiful sunroof that is open currently. It's a bit balmy out today, so I got all the windows open. We will warm her up and we'll be back to you. All right, here we are. We got a little temperature in our VW bus. Again, Microbus walk through here. Full seating, 21 windows. Really drives well. It's a long time Arizona and California car. Our customer bought it probably a good 20 years ago and has pretty much maintained it, stayed in his collection. We serviced it a couple years back and fair weather use only. Really runs and drives well. Got a working AM radio here. Horn works. Safari windows. Really set up well. We're gonna stop and get a little gas and we'll be back to you. All right, put a little gas in her. Gas gauge is working. Speedo works. Odometer works. Radio works already. 4-way flashers work. Really? Stop for gas. Everybody asks, what is it? How old is it? It's beautiful. So many people have stories about these. My brother, my uncle, my cousin, my grandfather, everybody had one, loved one, rode in one. This one, clutch, gearbox, engine, everything feels really, really good. Brakes feel good. Really a great feel with all the windows open, vent windows open, the roof open. Really, really cool piece of automobilia here. Engine pulls nice and strong. Really cruises along quite nicely. Really get that California vibe. Or for those of us from the East Coast, that Woodstock vibe. What a cool experience. My goodness. Really, really cool. Well, we're going to come up here. I don't know if we're going to win any trophies here driving through the S's, but we'll give it a little feel. All right, here we are coming up to the S's. Obviously, pulls well for what it is. Whole experience of this entire interior, the way the car feels, the way it drives, really, really cool. You can definitely see what the big pull is on these. They've become quite cult cars, especially outfitted with all the windows. VW Microbus, as they call it, fully restored condition. Really runs and drives very well. Everything works. Clutch, gearbox, everything feels really good. I know I hate to say this, but we're going to go up to the farm road here. We're going to really open her up a little bit. And we'll be back to you. Alright, so here we are. I'm going to come up to the farm road here. Run her through the gears. Volkswagen Microbus. Long-time California car, Arizona, California. Recent owner, owns it for about 20 years. Cruises really well. Feels good. The roof open, windows open. It's a beautiful, beautiful experience here. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. Like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment below as well. Thank you for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.